Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about Kuroutoshikou Radeon RX 7600 blade and Soul Neo graphics card. So friends, Japanese graphics card maker, the special edition of Radeon RX 7600. So friend, the graphics card primarily based on the Galaxy GeForce RTX series and power color for Radeon RX models, and this card is not exceptional. It is actually based on the Radeon RX 7600 fighter from power color, and it's worth nothing that Kurotoshiku already offered the same card but without the special game theme box. In reality, there is no physical difference between two cards. The only distinction is the exclusive bundle and packaging and the card release coincidence with the launch of the Action MMO Blade and Soul Neo on March 12, 2025, and the exclusive box design feature stunning artwork from Blade and Soul Neo. To celebrate the collaboration and buyers, the RX 76008GB Blade and Soul Neo edition will receive a camping code for the limited in-game costume Gentleness, which looks like this. And the Radeon RX 7600 is an entry-level model with 8 GB of VRAM and it based on Navi 33 GPU and was released last year. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.